On this flyway, we are some of the first people to hunt these birds. This allows the birds to decoy at close range. We supply airport pickup from Edmonton, Alberta. We will take you to our comfortable camp where you will feast on our outstanding meals.
Take off!
We offer 3-day hunts or 6-day hunts. Our experienced guides and scouts work hard to ensure successful hunts. With thousands of square miles to hunt on, you'll have plenty of opportunity for memorable hunts.
Take it, boys!
Lots of birds, lots of action, lots of memories. It will be a trip we will talk about for years.